Buhay and welcome sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club. No? So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng kasama natin. So we have a lot of people in the room, pati sa Zoom, sa FB Live. No? Magandang buhay po sa inyo. So again, I'm Coach Tin Reyes Herrera. Na-meet ko Herbalife, that was 10 years ago. No? Hindi ko gusto dun sa lifestyle ko before. I was ano naman po, no? Siyempre gusto ko man na may work ako noon, di ba? I was a full-time employee that time and part-time na hair and makeup artist. No, but what I just really don't like about it is very unhealthy po yung lifestyle ko. No, mahilig sa mga only rice, mahilig po sa mga fast food. Yan po talaga yung lifestyle namin dati. And as a mom, no, as a mom of two, wala akong work-life balance, no? So I was not able to really become a present mom. Lagi ako nagmamadala yung quality time na tinatawag natin, no? So, and I'm just so grateful that I found a solution here at Herbalife, guys, no? Dahil lang po, pakisulat niyo to. Sabi ko nang try ko lang tignan ko, naalagaan ako sa isang nutrition club. Okay, yung na-share sa inyo kanina ni Coach Cecil Garcia, no? Nakita niyo naman. Ano yan, doon lang, 10 days lang na nutrition club program, let's see, ganon. And of course, yung kaninang event na sinabi din, yung Herbalife Opportunity Meeting, just don't forget it, okay? Online naman yan, attend po kayo, look at it, how Herbalife Nutrition can help you and your family. That's where we got started. And fast forward po, nag-lose ako ng 30 pounds, 8 inches dun sa aking bewang, no? Ang pinaka naging maganda dun sa journey, not only the amazing products, di ba? But really you have this community with you and this amazing opportunity to touch lives, no, one person at a time. I think yun yung isa sa pinakamagandang part ng naging journey ko dito, no? At syempre, yung you become more every single day. Yes, definitely we're not perfect, no? May mga areas tayo that we need to work on every single day, but the best part is, di ba, yung personal development mo and your willingness to really have yung attitude na yan, di ba? Ay makat din natin yung mga bad attitude. Diba? So that's why I love Herbalife. And of course, ang pinaka-paborito ko na product bukod sa aloe tea shake natin, the skin line natin, no, the Herbalife skin. And syempre, yung ating cell complex, yan, di pwedeng mawala yan, yung Nightworks, yung NRG. No? So yun po yun. No? So that's why, again, I love Herbalife. And napakaganda ng ano natin dito, topic today. Di ba nabanggit kanina natin, Cecil, no, holiday na, sobrang traffic na sa labas. Okay, pwede ko ba malaman dyan, type 1? Kung na-experience nyo na ba ang holiday stress? Ayan, meron na ba nakaka-experience nito? Okay, ang ganda nung ano no? Managing holiday stress in the name. Ang cute, in the name of beauty. Ayan, sige. So, bakit nga ba may ganun tayo? Kasi di ba ang tendency natin pagka we are so stressed, ramdam ng mga tao sa paligid natin ang tension. Di ba? Pagka po nagkakaroon po ng tension, ano ang nangyayari? Sige nga, pwede ba kayo mag-type ng 1 dyan? Pag nagkakaroon ng tension, no? Bukod sa nagkakasagutan kayo sa bahay, no? Ikaw mismo, like you personally, no? Anong impact niyan sa'yo? No? So ang kagandahan natin naaapektuhan. Alright, kaya naman it's very important. But seriously, it's very important that we take care of ourselves, guys. No? So bakit? Kasi how can we do what we need to do if we are not literally okay? No? So yun po siya. So that's why we really need to manage this holiday stress. Kasi hindi naman natin yung pwedeng pigilan. No? Alam pigilan natin yung Christmas, yung January, coming New Year, no? Or kung anong holiday man yung na-experience niyo, kung anong country kayo, no, na nandiyan. Okay? So yun. So sabi dito, ayan, sabi dito is, of course, we need to learn to relax. Kalma lang, be. Okay nga, malalim. Okay, relax ka lang. Alright? Find your happy place. Okay, baka iba yung maisip nyo ha, dun sa happy place. So, dito, sa inyong tahanan, okay, you look for a place, no, na may spot ka na quiet, okay, and para ma-remove ka dun sa masyado maingay. Diba yung holiday chaos na tinatawag natin. So yung a comfy little spot just for you will do. Wala kang makita sa bahay mo, pray ka kay Lord. Lord, saan ba ako ngayon, tong happy place na to? Diba? Kasi yan din yung isa natin, being with Him is actually a happy place. No? But anyway, dyan po, no? We really need to have that one. Okay? Find your happy place. Ha? So, hindi kailangan ng malaking-malaking spot. A little spot. Okay? A little spot just for you will do. Okay? To have that intimate na ano po, no? Pag, ano yan eh, kung nakikita niyo dyan sa picture, it's really relaxing, 'di ba? Relaxing yung ano natin dito. No? So sabi din dito, 'di ba? Guys, you may take a picture of this Kasi nilagay ko lang din talaga siya dito sa deck na to, no? Para mabilis lang din na mapicturean po ninyo siya. Alright? So, nakita niyo dyan, no? Close our eyes, we sit up straight and tall, 'di ba? And place your hands in your lap. No? So ito, this is really the exercise already. Diba? So, yan po siya. So, if you can dedicate even, by the way, no, dito din pala, kasi meron ditong part that the deep breathing, diba? The deep breathing technique, no, tinuturo siya. This will also help to slow yung heart rate natin. Kasi diba like, when we are so tense, ang tendency din talaga natin mabilis yung heart rate natin, no? So, the deep breathing one, this kind of, this activity, no, nakakatulong po siya para mas-low yung heart rate natin and inspire a feeling of calmness, no? It will also help to lower your blood pressure, okay? So if you can dedicate even more than 5 minutes, okay, you do it. Ako guys, I will always say, don't find time, you make time for it. Okay, so a few extra minutes out of your crazy day will only help you to further alleviate your stress levels. So yung hindi mo na mamalayan yung time of browsing Facebook, just really browsing all the stories, nakalimang minuto ka na. So instead of doing that, you make time. Separate mo na tong 5 minutes na to. Okay? Kung kaya mo na more than that, much better. Okay? Ngayon, ano pa yung mga other examples, no, na pwede makapag-reduce ng mga stress natin? Okay, sino ba dito yung mga girls natin dyan? Actually, mga boys, di ba? They also do this, di ba? So, nasa bathtub, ganyan, no? Relax, relax. Pwedeng, depende kung anong music na magpapakalma sa'yo. Diba? You can really listen to your favorite playlist, no? Your music playlist. Diba? So, if you're into more on the, what do you call this? Of course, yung mga praise and worship na mga song, diba? Or kung ano yung nasa heart mo na magpapakalma sa'yo ng mga klase ng music, go for it. Okay? And ayan, nakita din ninyo, no, yung mga exercises din, yung sa pagbabalance din natin. Ang nakakatawa, no, nilagay ko talaga dito, no, nakakatulong po sa pag-reduce ng stress. Ang online shop ng Herbalife. Diba? Mamili kayo ng mga healthy pagkain natin dyan, ha? Ayan po, no? And of course, ito pa yung mga other examples. No? Sabi nga, do not, although sinabi doon kanina doon sa pag-relax mo, diba, set aside ka, yes, yan yun, diba? But one of the things as well is, lalo na when you're being attacked of loneliness, so basta ganon, para hindi mo maintindihan, diba? Make sure that you have a community with you. Okay? Make sure that you have a community with you. A community that will uplift you. Okay? Na hindi dadagdagan yung stress mo. Okay? Kumbaga, instead of dagdagan yung stress mo, sila yung mga nakakatulong sa'yo, di ba? Para ano talaga, para malighten up ulit, no? Or kung nagdidilim ang iyong paligid, ganyan, di ba? Or medyo you are confused, di ba? Make sure that you're really surrounded with this positive community, no? So, yan po siya. Okay, so pwede din yung iba, ay, mas gusto ko coach yung manonood ako. Di ba? You go for it. Diba? So yan. And kung nakita rin ninyo dyan, whatever favorite book that you can spend time, make time to read, that's really better. No? And don't forget, of course, yung sa Bible din natin. Ako, at this point, ay yan yung isa sa excited ako kasi for the longest time, hindi ko yung binabasa. No? Pero nakakatuwa pala magbasa niyan. No? Ibang level. Ayan. And ito, you go for a walk. Diba? So, yung isa natin is don't get intimidated when you hear the word exercise, no? So we're not talking about high intensity workout here, no? So a workout, tapos meron kang yung walking po, no, na exercise, or kung nandun ka sa loob ng bahay, a home workout can also do. Okay? So yan po yan. Tapos Number 1 natin, di ba, is relax. Ano pa? Managing holiday stress, the day of beauty, get some sleep. Okay, I want to know dito sa chat. Gaano katagal ang tulog mo kagabi? Ilang hours ang average sleeping time mo? Okay, sige nga, patingin nga ako. Okay, it's very important that we get this. Okay, get some sleep, get enough sleep. No? So ideally, 7 to 8 hours of sleep tayo. Bakit ganon, Coach Tin? Bakit? Ayan. When we don't get enough sleep, guys, yung body pala natin, nagre-release po siya ng more cortisol than usual. Anong cortisol? So stress hormone po ito. Okay, which in excess can have us looking tired and stressed out in no time. Kaya pag kami nakita ka, 'di ba? Pero wag din naman tayong judgmental, ano? So yun, pero yun siya 'di ba? Makikita siya talaga physically, no? Kasi yung skin, parang pagod ka na kaagad, 'di ba? Stress, basta, 'di ba, parang madilim yung yung face. Ayan. So please take note as well, yung skin po natin can really become a bit inflamed and can affect our collagen. No? So over time, you'll begin to notice less firmness ng balat natin, yung elasticity na-compromise. Anong result nito sa kagandahan? Ayan. Sa skin, no? Yung fine lines, yung wrinkles and dry skin, nag-hello sila ng bongga. Hello! Ganyan na sila. Alright? So ganyan ang nangyayari. No? So, ngayon, anong nakanote dito? When we don't sleep, the blood vessels found directly under the skin around the eyes become dilated and we end up looking like a raccoon. Ganun pala yun. So kung makita niyo dyan sa screen, di ba? Ano siya, yung sa eye bags niya, di ba, madilim yung niya, yung ilalim ng mata niya. So yan pala din yung nangyayari sa atin, ha? So yan po. Ngayon, meron tayong mga tips dito para, of course, a good night's sleep na yan. Okay, so number 1, you may take a screenshot of this, guys. Number 1, keep your bedroom cool. Wow, may paganyan, ano? Keep your bedroom cool. Pero wag din naman super lamig. Okay, na baka naman hindi kayo makatulog. Okay, number 2, make sure your room is dark. Blackout shades will definitely help. Okay, so gusto talaga natin makatulog ng diretso, bawas po tayo talaga ng ng ilaw. No? So, nakalagay din dito, turn off the TV, computer, phone, 'di ba? Or kung ano mang gadget yung ginagamit mo before crawling into bed. Okay? So, para hindi ka talaga distracted. Okay? And number 4, ang syalan, no? Mag-invest daw sa nice and comfy pair of PJs, no? Pajama. While doing your holiday shopping. A special treat to help you survive the season. Diba? At syempre, diba, as you know here at Herbalife, diba, kami nga yung nakilala sa number 1 dun sa, not just dun sa health, ang tawag dito, weight management, well-being, right? But really more on the lifestyle intervention solutions or programs, no? Kilala dyan ang Herbalife, okay? That's why I want to, if you don't know it yet, pinapakilala ko siya sa'yo. Okay, kung ang alam mo lang na tsaa, yung fat burner na tea, etong retreat tea, ito ang pangpakalma, baby. Ayan. It really relaxes the body, it calms mind, nagsusupport talaga to ng positive mood, nagbibigay siya ng restful sleep. Okay, wala po yung mga artificial na flavors or sweeteners, no? So kung makikita ninyo, andyan din yung key ingredient po niyan. Okay, so yan ang isa sa smart and wise solution. I really need to sleep, no? Kasi talagang get that sleep na diretso ka. Don't miss this. Okay? At syempre, usapang balat tayo, di ba? Kasi nga, if we won't be able to get that sleep, na-compromise din yung sa skin natin. Okay? So that's why it's very important so that we have a skincare routine. Teka lang, ha? Inom lang ako ng tsaa. Wait lang po. So guys, bakit importante na we have the skincare routine? No? So, sinasabi natin, you relax, di ba? You get that sleep, di ba? And of course, you take care of your skin. Di ba? Kasi syempre, minsan sobrang pagod na natin, nako-compromise ang ating big brother. Sabi nga, ang skin natin, ang big brother natin kasi literally, siya ang nagpo-protect, no, ng buong katawan natin, di ba? Covering. No? So that's why it's very important. Dahil kapag hindi natin nagawa yan, no, yung mga issue like yung mga wrinkles, sunspots, dryness, no? Na-encounter natin yan or may-experience natin yan. Di ba? Meron din tinatawag na mga photo-aging, no? So it's very important. Okay, but before going to bed, make sure that you were able to do your skincare routine. Okay? At syempre, diba, saan pa? Diba? So of course, we have the Herbalife Skin line. So take a screenshot of this from cleansing, diba, to, what do you call this? Exfoliation, sorry na. No? So of course, the instant reveal berry scrap natin, the toning part, the line minimizing, no, and of course the SPF1. So what is the best part of our Herbalife skincare, 'di ba? So this is approved, no, ng ano natin yung sa skincare natin sa US, no, pati yung sa cancer po, no, pang-anti ano din po siya. All right? So yan, no. At syempre, the newest, I'd like to introduce it to you. Pinapakilala ko ulit. If you haven't met them, Nourish and Flourish with Aloe Inside Out, diba? So, sabi din dito, I wanna highlight this. Okay, I wanna highlight this. All right? It is important that individuals, families, and groups know how to improve diet, lifestyle, and attitude in promoting overall health. Take note, nutrition is all about nourishing the body with the right foods and nutrients. Some people, however, tend to forget that our skin also needs nourishment and that they play important roles in our overall health and wellness. Take note of that one. That's why, eto na sila, no, ang tatlong magkakapatid. Okay? The Herbal Aloe Body Care. So we have the hand and body wash, the soothing gel, the hand and body cream, no? Get back to your coach. Invited you here. You may wanna visit a nutrition club, di ba? Para matry nyo yan, no? Or basta yon, you go back to your coach, but if you're already a member, go to your Herbalife shop, at eto na, i-ano na to, i-add to cart mo na yan. And experience it, di ba? So yun po. So with that being said, I think that's the last slide that I have here. No, so guys, again, more than that, no, I just really want to add this. More than all these stuff, no, to manage yung holiday stress na tinatawag natin, di ba? Of course, the perfect time also is to have that time with the Lord, no? Yung pray natin, no, prayer, sinabi yan kanina ni Ate Cecil, it really works miracles din po, no? So, pampatanggal talaga ng stress yan, ha? Sige, so, again, I'm just so grateful that I was able to share with you today. So, I hope meron po kayo natutunan. Meron ba? Sige, so again, thank you so much. Back to you, Coach Lori!